Hey Subjectivists, we're back with our 4th episode of Subjectively Workshop. In the last 3 videos, we brainstormed different ideas for characters to go into a story that I'm currently writing. If you haven't watched those videos yet, I recommend that you go check them out and get an idea of where we're at and what we'll be talking about today. And while you're at it, don't forget to check out our partner Inked Gaming. They make awesome gaming merch like mouse pads, playmats, t-shirts, and more. And the best part is, it's all artwork designed by independent artists, so a purchase on their site means support for the artists who sell their work there. Use the link in the description and the code SUBJECTIVELY10 at checkout for a 10% discount off of your entire purchase. So in our last video, we looked at the final design for Bonnie and went over a few ideas for a design for Juno, Celeste's grandma. Let's dive into the process for her final design. You guys give me amazing critiques and a bunch of good ideas. I'm excited to show you the final product.
I've known some. Until I first met you, I was lonesome. And when you came inside, dear, my heart grew light and this whole world seemed new to me. You're really swell, I have to admit you deserve expressions that really fit you. And so I've racked my brain hoping to explain all the things that you did to me. Mere Mr. Shane, please let me explain. Mere Mr. Shane means you're grand. Mere Mr. Shane, again I'll explain. It means you're the fairest in the land. It means you're the Shane means you're grand. Mere Mr. Shane, again I'll explain. It means you're the fairest in the land.
So there's Juno. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you again for all of your ideas. This is always a ton of fun. Now, as far as the next character goes, well, unfortunately, I think this is going to be the last Subjectively Workshop for a while. But that's the bad news. The good news is that starting next week, I'll be doing a daily prompt challenge, like Smogist, for the entire month of October. Most people will be doing Inktober, but considering the project that I'm working on now and the number of monsters that I'll need to fill up the world, I created my own prompt list to inspire those designs. Every day for the month of October, I will be creating a new portal beast based off of the one-word prompts that I came up with. And if you're interested, you can too. Or you can use the prompt list to create whatever you want. Get creative with it. I really wanted to keep these prompts broad so that no two people would come up with the same idea. I'm so excited for this, and I can't wait to share the month of APOCTOBER with all of you guys. Until then, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.